Okay guys, in this tutorial, how do you fix the volume is too low on Windows 11? So if you're using, you're trying to play something into your device and the volume is too low on Windows 11, how do you increase your volume? So very first thing is the sound like icon. Give a click on it and make sure you can increase the audio to 100%. Okay. And then you're gonna check it. This is not the error. This is not any kind of issue, but the stupid mistakes will be making. Sometimes volume will be low in trying to increase the volume in a device. Sometimes, let's say we are playing with the VLC media player, we'll increase the volume to 150%. We will say our volume is so low, but we do not check over here that our volume might be less over here. So you're not increasing only in the media player, but you have to increase the volume over here also to the 100% at max. So the next thing is, so give a right click on it and then we'll be open volume mixer. When you open the volume mixers, here you have, we have increased the volume to the 100% at max. Next thing that you're going to check is, here you can see it's the output device. It's perfect. I'm going to increase the sounds, apps. So for apps, you can see output device, make sure it is default. And then if it is less, you're going to increase it to 100%. All right. Next thing is, if you're using any application, if any applications have any applications listed over here, let's say these applications, I'm getting the low audio in these applications. So 1%, I'm gonna increase it to 100%. It's the default, and I'm gonna increase to 100%. So if it is grayed out, you cannot increase. If it is not grayed out, it's good to increase to 100%. If any applications in case listed over here, the second thing that you can do. The next step is, again, go to the volumes, give a right click on it, and go to sound settings. And you'll be coming down. So before you go down, here is the speakers, the headphones, Realtek Audio. Click on it. And if you're getting the less sound in your headphones, what you're gonna do is make sure you increase it to highest level. And make sure you test this if it is working fine. Otherwise, you're gonna again change it to the original one or try changing to different options. So whichever work for you, you can keep that. Volume is at 100%. Left channel should be 100% and right channel should be 100%. Okay. And audio enhancement, make sure you device default. If it is off, you're going to choose the device default. Okay. Make sure it is a device default effect. Same thing you can do over here. In some more sound settings, click on it. If you're using the older version of Windows, you're going to see this. Select this, click on properties. And here you have advanced options. You're going to choose the maximum, whichever option is, you're going to choose the maximum and then you're going to test it. If it is working fine, if it is do not work fine, you're going to choose possible best options with the highest level. Make sure all these options is checked. Click on OK. So all these are the possible best options that you could try in order to increase the audio in Windows 11. If you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. And share this video with your friends and family. Have a good day.